Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwividiyo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisiphote njalo ngokubuka amavidiyo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwividiyo namuhla. Emavikini adlule sike sakhuluma udaba le-ANC ukuthi ayisikhokhelanga istaff sayo. Okwaba into embi kakhulu ukuthi abasebenzi abaqashwe yi-ANC begcine bengayitholanga imali yabo. Babakhokhela late abaze bagcina bethi ngcono batoyitoyi. Batoyitoya ngempela kabasebenzi beveza ukungaphatheki kahle kwabo. Kodwa ikhulu ze-ANC zababuka nje ngazakhombisa ukungabi nandaba nabo. La ku-screen sakho le ndawo oyibonayo iLuthuli House ikomkhulu le-ANC eliseJohannesburg. Kulala amaphara la ngaphandle kwaseLuthuli House. Utata Marero ke oyimeya yaseJohannesburg, ngibona i-article ethi ufike wacisha ugesi eLuthuli House. Asifunde lo article. I-Central News South Africa ibhale kanje: Joburg Mayor Tata Marero calls for united front against building. No pay, no power. Luthuli House faces electricity cut over 365,000 rand debt. Mayor pulls plug on ANC. Johannesburg, 21 December 2025. The African National Congress headquarters at Luthuli House in Johannesburg CBD has been plunged into darkness after the city of Johannesburg cuts off its electricity supply over an unpaid bill of 365,000 rand. This bold move by Mayor Tata Marero highlights the city's tough stance on debt collection, even when it involves powerful organizations like the ruling party. For staff working inside the building and nearby businesses, it means scrambling for generators or facing downtime, turning a routine day into a hassle. Ordinary South African watching this unfold see it as a sign that no one is above paying their dues, especially in a time when many families struggle with the rising cost for basics like power. The ANC, which has faced financial woes in recent months, now deals with the public embarrassment, sparking talks on how parties manage money meant for public goods. As holidays approach, many hope this pushes for better accountability, ensuring funds go where needed instead of piling up debt. With the city owing billions in total from the defaulters, this cut-off serves as a warning to all, big or small, to settle up or face the consequences. While not immediate comment came from the ANC, the incident adds to their challenges, like past summons for leaders over money matters. This electricity disconnection at a key political spot comes amid broader efforts. Isikweletu mase sithi 365,000 angikholwa ukuthi esenyanga eyodwa, eseyinyanga eyiningi noma eseminyaka. Lokhu nje kukodwa kuyakukhombisa ukuthi i-ANC irresponsible. Awukwazi ukuthi ungaba nesikweletu esingaka sogesi, shoda manje bayivalela amanzi. Angazi noma uTata Marero is proving a point, ufuna kubonakala engathi uyasebenza na, kodwa ufaka i-political party yakhe ehlazweni. Can you imagine i-ANC ihlulwa ukulungisa ama-affairs wayo, ihlulwa ukukhokha imali efuneka ikhokhele ugesi, bese i-ANC sibona ukuthi ingaqhubeka nokuhola izwe. Ngiyaqala empilweni yami selokhu kwaba khona idemocracy, kuyaqala ukuthi i-ANC ibhekane nenkinga ezinje. Kungenzeka na ukuba lokhu kusho ukuthi uCyril Ramaphosa iyamhlula i-ANC kuyirun, ngoba phela sekuthiwa abasebenzi abakhokhelwanga, kungaqali ukuthi abasebenzi bangakhokhelwa ngesikhathi. Namhlanje abakhokhanga ugesi bacishelwe. Kusho ukuthini nje lokho? Kusho ukuthi i-ANC sesingayithemba ukuthi ingaphinde iholiswe kahle, ihloko manenje ama-affairs wayo. Naku kunenkinga enkulu la. Kuyihlazo ukuthi ngadlule komkhulu le organization ephethe izwe, udlule kulela maphara ngaphandle. Akuwakho umqondo, kodwa kukhombisa ukuthi u-government osiphethe irresponsible kangakanani futhi u-useless kangakanani. Yabona kubantu abavotele i-ANC, angikholwa ukuthi ba-proud ukuthi ekomkhulu labo eluthu le-house kunje ngaphandle nje ubona ku-screen sakho. Angikholwa ukuthi basijabulela le simo. Asidlule phambili. Kunomama la okuthe nje kwakungama-holiday, u-deputy mayor lo mama wabonakala ephethe isibhamu edubula phezulu. Ngicela ubone la. Angazi ukuthi celebration enjani le, ukuthi abantu bangathiwa ba-celebrate bese khishwa isibhamu sidutshulwa phezulu, futhi ngokomthetho wase-South Africa kuyicala elibomvu. Uya-charge-wa for i-attempted murder, ngoba ibullet mayidutshula iya phezulu, uma efika phezulu izofika ijike ibuye nga-same speed ephume ngaso, engakhanda umonakalo omkhulu kabi. Kuyividiyo besikhuluma ngale nto ngokudlule. Ukhona usisi ovelile wathi umfowabo washawa ibullet yavela nje emoyeni, wadlula emhlabeni. Ngakho le nto le iyiqiniso, so icala elibomvu kabi lelenziwe lo mama. Emveni kokuba ividiyo yakhe itrendile lo mama yabonwa wonke umuntu, nabantu baphawula ngalolu daba, ube esekhipha i-statement yena. Angazi noma abameli bakhe na, kodwa sizosifunda le statement siza ukuthi uthini nama esidefenda. Siphuma kwe-Equals Political Movement, siphuma ngomhla ka-22 kuDisemba 2025. Sifundeka kanje. In response to the video circulating on social media, I would like to clarify that there was no firearm present. The item witnessed in my hand is a replica toy gun. It was taken during my son Ulwaluko, a sacred Xhosa initiation ceremony that marks the transition into manhood. It is unfortunate that this moment has been used to score political points by ANC and bogus so-called local community leaders. The fact that this act was performed by women has unsettled some, and that reaction itself deserves reflection. For generations, power, ritual authority, and public symbolism has been narrowly defined along patriarchal lines. A woman occupying the space confidently, visibly, and unapologetically challenges the assumption that leadership, protection, and cultural authority belongs to men alone. It is an assertion that women are not guests in culture or politics. We are custodians and architects of both. This moment cannot be separated from political and social reality of South Africa today. We are nation grieving. Women are being killed in their homes. This was a symbol of taking back our culture, taking back our identity, and taking back our power. There is no contradiction between celebrating culture and condemning violence. The incident was not a threat. It was declaration, a declaration that our sons must be raised to honor life, to dominate. It is a declaration that power, when held by women, can be transformative. I remain committed as a leader, as a mother, to building a South Africa where our traditions evolve without losing their souls. When women authority is not questioned but respected, and where no woman has to march, protest, or mourn simply to be safe. Iphuma kuNokuzola Kholwaphi oyi-IPM president uyena lo mama lo obedubula lapha phezulu. Na-ke ngumthetho olawulwa isibhamu osho ukuthi ama-offences imaphi. Isihloko sakhona siku-chapter 16 offences, penalties and administrative fines. Part number 7 kule ndawo highlightiwe ithi it is an offense to discharge a firearm, an antique firearm or a gun in a built-up area or any public place without good reason to do so. Bake ngike ngachazwa kwasekuqaleni kuyicala ukudubula isibhamu phezulu. uJulius Malema icala limlahlile, is found guilty, uyosentenswa ngeyi-23 if I'm not mistaken January. Lokhu nje lo mama kwenzile kubula. Lento ayishoyo ekuzama ukuthi uzama ukuprove ipoint ukuthi ngoba eprove ipoint ngabesifazane ukuthi bayakwazi ukuphatha into engekho. Okwesibili, angikholwa ukuthi mina i-replica noma i-toy gun ingakhipha i-cartridge. Ngicela ubone la. Esithi replica ngempela njengokusho kwakhe lo mama. Enjani i-replica ekhipha i-cartridge? Enjani? Ngoba isibhamu lesi esikhipha i-cartridge. Kuphuma inhlamvu kusala i-cartridge. So lo mama ucabanga ukuthi sonke sibuye Eastern Cape. Bengithi angikwazise ngokwehluleka kwe-ANC ukuthi ehluleka ukukhokhela ugesi. Angazi ukuthi uma ehluleka ukukhokhela ugesi abasebenzi uzobakhokhela ngani, ngoba ugesi uyisidingo. Ucishile kutata Marero. Angazi noma uzama ukuprove ipoint kodwa ucishile ugesi eluthole house. Ngikuveza nalo daba lalo mama olutrendayo. Mina nawe sidibane kwividiyo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.